Madison, home to some of the most interesting and diverse wildlife in the world. Tonight, we examine one of the more peculiar species that resides here in this Midwestern paradise, the MadHatter. Not much is known about this elusive animal, but continued research and exciting new footage is shedding light on this heretofore unstudied creature. The first sightings of this brightly colored mammal date back as early as 1997. In his personal writings, a notable Madison zoologist recalls his first encounter with these majestic beasts.
I've noticed during my travels in the strange land of Madison, these amazing creatures. They gather in various locations and attract attention everywhere they go with their strange synchronized noises. I've tried to infiltrate their society so as to learn more about them, and so far, they're unaware of my deception. Their song is a thing of beauty, and I find I am moved to tears as I listen to it echo in this cold and unforgiving night. Dr. Steve Bagoon, 1997.
Sadly, Dr. Bagoon was later injured in a frenzy when he tried to show the pack how a guitar works. Though mostly benevolent, the wild MadHatter is spooked easily and can become dangerous. The MadHatter is mainly a scavenger, and relies much on the charity of others to sustain himself. Here we see a small pack of MadHatters performing their feeding ritual. It appears their efforts will go unrewarded this time. Tonight, they will have to find other means of feeding themselves.